Hi everyone! Good night. Good night na sa inyo kasi syempre magandang gabi na. Pero hindi pa tayo magpapaalam. We are going to make a video, a pick a card reading. Okay? So, actually, this is not a pick a card. Hindi ipipili ng card, but pick a cutics. Okay? So, pipili kayo from option 1 then option 2. So, para sa option 1 natin, color brown na cutics yung aking wear ngayon. Okay, and for pile number 2 is yung color red na cutics natin. Okay? So, use your intuition, guys. Ang topic natin ngayon is what's the tea? So, titingnan natin kung ano yung nangyayari sa life ninyo or ng mapipili ninyong pile. So, I hope makuha natin yung energy ninyo, okay, doon sa mapipili ninyong pile. Okay, so this is a random. So, this is the what's the tea? Ano ba yung makukuha nating aura or energy, whether this is about friendship, about family, or about a relationship, titingnan natin. Okay, and then let's sample a tarot cards. Tingnan natin yung ang sitwasyon or if there any advice, okay, na makukuha nyo sa bawat pile. So, pili na kayo guys. This is pile number 1, the chestnut, nail color, and pile number 2 is the red nail color. So, pili kayo. Use your intuition, meditate sa pile na sa tingin ninyo magre-resonate sa inyo. So, this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. So, pili na kayo guys. Habang binabalasa ko yung ating What's the Tea Oracle. So, pili na kayo guys. Kung nakapili na kayo ng item or ng pile ninyo, let's start with the chestnut nail color. So, itabi lang muna natin sa gilid si ating red nail color. So, pile number 1 or chestnut nail color, this is your reading when it regards to what's the tea. Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano yung mga kailangan mong malaman? Whether it is about friendship, about love life. Okay, so titingnan natin. Ano yung dapat mong gawin or meron bang advice, okay, to overcome yung situation. Okay, so let's start with the what's the tea card. Pile number 1 with the chestnut nail color. Ano yung kailangan mong malaman? Obsessive lover. Dangerous, toxic, unhealthy, possessiveness, karmic. So, first card can be you are dealing with a obsessive lover. Okay. Or you are struggling right now because you identify yourself as trigger warning guys, an obsessive lover. Okay. May some kind of may pagka-possessive or merong unhealthy traits when it comes to relationship. Okay. Or you're simply dealing with a karmic, whether this is a feminine. Okay. Uy, crying over you. Sad, hurt, upset. Uy. For some of you, pa number 1, maybe you are dealing sabi ko kanina, dealing with an obsessive lover who is crying over you. Okay? Upset, sad, or hurt over a specific situation. Whether nag-break kayo, may hindi kayo pagkakaunawaan, or maybe this is a past person. So, titingnan natin ha. Malalaman natin yan later on. Meron akong nakukuha na this person is selosa, paranoid, overthinker, and meron akong nakukuha sa mga masculine natin, you are dealing with someone, a feminine na saying na sinaktan mo daw siya, or naglolo ko ka. Titingnan natin ha. This is a drama queen, okay? Sa mga masculine natin, maybe you are dealing with a drama queen. Always may issue when it regards sa relationship. Oops. Creeping. Oh. This person, na obsessive lover, na still crying and cannot get over you, whether this is a feminine or a masculine, this person is creeping or stalking you. Okay? If you feel na your ex or your past person, or there is someone who is stalking you, this is the person. Okay? This is a possessive lover. And maybe you are too busy winning. You are busy doing your thing. Okay? O pwedeng you are busy to your finances. Okay? While this person is crying over you, still crying, still not get over, still sad. Huh? And maybe yung iba sa inyo, you don't mind, wala kayong pakialam dito sa person na to kasi marami ka pang inaasikaso na mas mahalaga. Okay? And it can be po pwedeng alam mo to na there is someone creeping over you o still not over you. Okay? Caught a case. Oh my gosh. Sexual infection, sexual disease, rash, etc., which is simple has a sexual disease. Oh, for some of you, pan number one, I sense there is a feminine specifically na hiniwalayan mo or nagkaroon kayo ng downfall nitong person na to kasi maybe nag-cheat tong person. This is a toxic person. Whether this is a feminine or masculine guys, meron ako nakukuha na kaya kayo naghiwalay nito kasi this person is possessive and can be dealing with more than one person. Pwedeng this person is cheating. It can be. Or for some of you, merong person akong nakukuha, nakikita na upset and crying because nalaman niya na yung masculine or yung other person is nag-cheat and po pwedeng nagkaroon ng sexual disease or sexual infection kaya nakipaghiwalay itong person na to. Take what's resonate, guys, ha? In their head, sabi ko, di ba, overthinking. This is a overthinker, can be an air sign. Overthinker, stress, overanalyzing. Okay, there is someone here overthinking, crying over a person. And it can be this is a obsessive lover. Toxic to eh. Toxic tong person na to, yung nakukuha ko na to na energy. This is a toxic person. Nakakasakal. Oh, di ba? Once you back, this is an ex. This is a clarification that this is an ex. This obsessive lover who is crying, sad, hurt, upset, na nagkikrip or stalking, and nag-overthinking. Hiwalay kayo dito and this person wants you back. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng feminine to, and yung iba sa inyo, masculine to. Okay? Shine. Your light irritates their demon. You are winning. You are shining right now. Okay? Kung pwedeng you save yourself dito sa person na to, kasi this is a toxic person. Pwedeng merong pwedeng obsess or may problem siya when it comes sa pakikipag-sex. Meron siyang, paano ko ba sabihin yun? Obsess siya or addict siya sa pakikipag-sex to different woman or different person. And this person cheats on you, pwede. And hindi ito matanggap na nakipaghiwalay ka sa kanya. Cyberbully. This person is creeping on you. You are being bullied online or they has suffered from it. This person, maybe kung meron ako nakikita na if this person or meron ka na-receive na suddenly comment sa social media mo na parang ini-irritate ka or something na parang tinitrigger ka, maybe this is that person, yung creeping. And kasi possessive to eh. For some of you, tingnan mo, hunted. Memories, flashback, trauma, side effect. Meron ako nakikita na this person is hindi niya matanggap na nakapaghiwalay ka sa kanya. Okay? Hindi niya matanggap na nakipaghiwalay ka sa kanya. This person wants you back. This person still stalking on you on social media. Creeping. Okay? Kuha pa tayo ng card. This is a tarot card, guys. Para malaman pa natin further yung details ng pile 1 or ng pile mo. This person, pwede gusto makipagbalikan sa inyo pero ayaw nyo na, you are busy winning, you are busy on your finances, busy on your own life, di ba? This is an obsessive lover. Oh my gosh. Pwedeng binlock mo to or pwedeng naglagay ka ng boundaries over this person. Okay? Meron ako nakikita na you can be traditional person also. Kaya hindi sa'yo po pwede yung, kumbaga mabigat na kasalanan sa'yo, yung cheating and dealing to different woman or man, yung nakikipag-sex more than one person. Kasi maybe this person is ganun ang gawain. Kasi toxic, marami siyang toxic behavior. Actually, it can, po pwede yung cheating, po pwedeng, alam mo yon yung nambubuli online, po pwedeng, alam mo yon yung nagpa-power trip, ganun yung nakukuha ko dito. And it can be this person is dinadown ka rin. Dinadown ka nito, pinipintasan ka nito, pinapaiyak ka nito. So, tingnan pa natin ibang details, guys, for file number 1. File number 1, give me some details pa. Talagang naman na to. Oh, King of Pentacles can be an earth sign, Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Can be an older person or mas matanda sa'yo. Can be this person has a lot of money, kaya malakas siyang mag-power trip or lahat ng gusto niya nakukuha niya. Or you can be an earth sign with the King of Pentacles. 5 of Wands. Meron ako nakuha na this person gusto niya yung parang hinahabol siya. 4 of Wands. Para sa akin, meron ako nakikita na this person is mahilig mag-party, mahilig mag-club, mahilig sa mga kasiyahan. Can be an fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Chariot. Oh my gosh. This person wants to travel towards you. Meron ako nakikita this person wants to come to you or gusto niyang puntahan ka. 9 of Pentacles. You are the 9 of Pentacles. Very beautiful, very abundant, self-sufficient, businesswoman, busy on your finances. Sabi ko nga, busy winning, busy on your finances. Meron ako nakukuha na for some of you are very, alam mo yon, very guarded dito sa person na to. Guarded ka dito sa person na to. Naglagay ka ng boundary dito sa person na to, di ba? 3 of Swords, this person po pwedeng inilagay ka sa third party. Okay? Inilagay ka niya sa third party. Sinaktan ka nito. And this card can be significant also na po o signify na po pwedeng nasaktan tong person na to nung kinat off mo siya. Strength card. 2 of Wands. Meron ako nakikita na you are moving forward na. You don't mind dito sa person na to. You are very strong person. Meron akong narinig na courageous. Okay, po pwedeng you're very courageous man or woman. Kaya to na-hurt. Kaya to nasasaktan. Which is, yun nga, kaya to umiiyak over you. Kasi hindi niya matanggap na naglagay ka ng boundary sa kanya na kinat off mo siya. Kasi siguro iniisip nito, may pera siya, kasi King of Pentacles siya, may pera siya, kaya niyang kunin lahat ng gusto niya, pero bakit hindi kanya makuha ulit? Bakit ayaw mo na sa kanya? Nakukuha niyo ba, guys? Yes. Yun yung nakukuha ko dito, ha. This person is very pissed off. Kasi alam niya na ayaw mo na sa kanya eh. Obsessed to eh. Obsessed, toxic. You are looking forward on the future. Meron ako nakukuha. O pwedeng you are traveling with this chariot. You are traveling, okay, somewhere. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng ng outcome and then advice na. Ano yung outcome dito sa person na to? Nine of Coins. Uy, Nine of Pentacles again. You're very beautiful, very abundant. Okay, you are thriving right now. You are shining right now. Okay, you are self-reliant, very independent. Okay, financially stable person. You can be an earth sign. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. You are busy on your finances, on your job, and wala magawa tong person to kundi mag-stalk sa'yo. Maganda ang finances mo ngayon. Ten of Coins. Oh my gosh. You are stable. It can be this person is your long time partner before. Strength card again. Another confirmation. You are very courageous. Okay? Very courageous person. You can overcome kung ano man yung um, mapagdaanan mong problema, kaya mong lagpasan. And maybe this person wants control. Hindi ka na niya kasi makontrol eh. Meron ako nakikita na hindi ka na niya makontrol. Seven of Coins. You are very hardworking person, okay? Nakikita ko dito na na earth sign. You are an earth sign, okay? Ikaw yung klase ng tao na kahit na mahirap, kaya mo and kakayanin mo. You're very persistent. And magaling ka rin mag-manifest, okay? King of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo na masculine, you can be the King of Wands, very attractive. Pwedeng meron ka ng bagong partner ngayon and both of you are thriving. Okay, you are dealing with the King of Wands. Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Coins, and Ten of Pentacles uh, can be significant, financially stable, or a family. Po pwedeng meron ka ng stable relationship right now. You have a partner na ngayon, and this person na from the past or your ex still creeping kasi this is a toxic person. Page of Swords. Oh, Page of Swords can be spying. Okay? Para sa akin, yung ibang meaning ng Page of Swords or in the sword, this is spying. Want to send a message. Want to talk to you. Curious. Okay? Spying. Ito mga creeping. Spying. Seven of Swords. Sabi ko na nga eh. This person is cheater, cheating on you, nag-cheat sa'yo, selfish, and hindi honest. Okay? Kasi nga toxic siya. Wala ka nang tiwala dito sa person na to. This person is sleeping to different babae or lalaki. Okay? Ito pwede nahuli mo to na sleeping with other woman or guy kaya nagkaroon ng sexual disease. Okay? And still, this person is a toxic person. Nine of Wands. Oh my gosh. This person drain your energy. Nung nung kadil mo siya and this person maybe is may sakit ngayon. Nagkasakit to eh. Can be a sexual disease nga. Or malala, AIDS, ganyan, or HIV. I don't know. May nakukuha akong ganun. You can be an earth sign kasi chestnut, brown color is an earth color, okay? You can be an earth sign. Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. Okay. Page of Wands. This person wants to rush. Gusto niyang makipagkita sa'yo. Rush towards you. Okay? Gusto niyang puntahan ka. Kausapin ka. Ano to? May pagka-impulsive tong person na to. Kasi this is an overthinker also, ha? Baka meron siyang air sa chart niya. Mm. Okay, so kuha tayo ng ng advice card mo, pile number 1. Ano yung advice sa'yo ng higher self mo in this situation? Yung iba sa inyo, don't mind, walang pakialam, while others of you, o pwede sigurong nababother pa rin dito sa person na to and nagulat na this person still nag stalk pa din and spying sa'yo. Retreat. Time spent alone, reflection on past and current situation. Okay. Po pwedeng this person is the one who is retreating or itong person to is nag-reflect on past or ito yung payo sa'yo, mag-retreat ka. Moving on. Endings that bring healthy beginnings. Okay. Move on. As much as possible, kung meron na iwang gamit sa'yo itong person na to, itapon para mawala yung energy or yung attachment niya sa'yo. Kasi this is a toxic person. Release grudge, wounds, and pent-up feelings through healthy activities, okay? So, release daw can be dancing, singing, or anything. Release, kung meron kang galit dito, i-release mo na. Let go mo na para hindi mo na ma-absorb or um, ma-attract pa yung energy nitong person na to. Obsession, o, di ba? Obsession again. Focusing too much on one situation, the need to take a step back. Di ba? Obsessive lover, obsession. Hmm? So, pwedeng overthinker ka din. Wisdom. Knowledge gained through experiences or from a wise counselor. Ano ba yung mga natutunan mo dito nung nakadil mo tong person na to? So, wag mo nga kalimutan yon, okay? Matuto ka doon sa experience mo dito sa person na to. Kasi po pwedeng this person is manifesting you. Decisions. The need to gain clarity through decision making. Po pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo hindi ko inilalahat, po pwedeng meron ako nakukuha na mahal mo pa tong person na to. I don't know. Meron ako nakukuhang ganun na energy. Yung iba sa inyo hindi ko nilalahat. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi ko nilalahat. Okay, kuha tayo ng monology. Yung iba sa inyo, may galit pa dito sa person na to kasi nag-cheat. Yung iba sa inyo, masama pa loob dito sa person na to. Let go. Okay? Let go doon sa grudge na yon. I-release mo na kung ano yung mga gamit pang naiiwan sa'yo nitong person na to. Ipamigay mo, itapon mo para new energy na yung meron sa space mo. Magaling ka mag-manifest, kaya be careful sa iniisip mo. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo po pwedeng crying pa din over this person kasi sinaktan ka nito. Yung iba hindi ko nilalahat. Okay, so kuha tayo ng monology card para sa inyo. Pile number 1. Malakas ang nakukuha ko na earth sign. Ang karamihan na pumili ng pile number 1. Air sign and fire sign. Okay, 2 cards for monology. A win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Sabi ko, di ba? Meron akong nakikita na knowledge or wisdom. Okay? Air sign is very uh, matalino. Okay? Matalino ang air sign. And yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng timbangin mo yung sitwasyon. Okay? Or you are gaining clarity dito sa person na to. May nakukuha ako. Luck is on your side. New moon in Sagittarius. Pwedeng this person is a Sagittarius and you can be a Libra. And bottom of the deck is your commitment is being tested first quarter moon. So, pwedeng dahil sa retrograde, I don't know kung still retrograde pa rin ngayon. Dahil sa retrograde, itong person na to is kaya nag-active na naman ngayon. Pile number 1. This X. Okay? Kasi yung mga, kapag retrograde kasi, sa pagkakaalala ko, yung mga past persons or mga past situation na wala ka pang closure or may issue ka pa is babalik. Okay? Mag-o-open ulit. Okay, kaya ang sabi dito, your commitment is being tested pero wag magalala kasi luck is on your side and a win-win outcome is forecast. Okay, so pile number 1, this is your reading para sa what's the tea on you, ano yung kailangan mong malaman. So I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please do subscribe sa ating channel, Leluna Tarot, and like this video and you can share it with your friends, okay? So, maraming salamat sa panonood. Pile number 1. Hindi ko napapatagalin. I'm going to read the pile number 2. So, pile number 1, maraming salamat. Bye! Okay. So, para sa mga pumili ng pile number 2 sa ating color red na Cutix, okay, sa ating red na nail color. So, this is your reading. Tingnan natin kung ano yung what's the tea on you, ano yung dapat mong malaman sa sitwasyon mo. And kuha tayo ng advice para sa'yo. Okay, pile number 2. With the red nail color, ano yung kailangan mong malaman sa paligid mo, sa environment mo, sa love life, sa friend. Okay? Anong energy ang makukuha natin? So, tingnan natin. Pile number 2. Yung iba sa inyo, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Meron ako narinig Aries. Okay, so start na tayo. Ano yung kailangan mong malaman? Pile number 2. Air sign. Meron ako nakuha ang air sign sa inyo. Same shit, different day. Someone is overthinking or analyzing. Yung iba sa inyo bored kasi ulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari. Okay? Girl fight. Arguments, physical fight, at war competing. Okay, someone here is overthinking over a girl fight. Okay? O pwedeng merong hindi pagkakaunawaan sa isang feminine. Okay? Can be a coworker, meron ako narinig a coworker. Creativity. Steal your ideas, copies your work, duplicates, feeds of you, okay? So, this is another confirmation na for some of you, you are dealing or meron kang hindi nakasundo, meron kang nakaaway, okay? Nakasagutan, nakatrabaho. Kasi, this person can be still your idea or ginagaya ka, this is a copycat, okay? Can be a friend or a coworker, okay, for some of you. Ego. Hurts ego. Ego getting in the way of relationship. Fake smile. Another confirmation na you can be dealing with a fake friend. Okay, a fake coworker. Fake friend or fake colleague na nakangiti sa harapan mo pero yung pala kinakopy ka or feeds of you. Hmm? O bad habits, drug addiction, toxicity. Maybe this person is a toxic person, an egoistic person. Siguro pa ulit-ulit siyang tinitrigger nitong person with the same shit different every day. Or always partying, okay? This person can be a social climber. Happiness hater. Oh, another confirmation that this person is a happiness hater. Oh my gosh. A happiness hater. O, di ba? Another card na nakita ko is impersonator. Di ba? Copy you. Kinokopya ka. Wants to be you. Acts like you. Dresses like you. Wants to look like you. This is a copycat. Another confirmation, this is a copycat. Okay? Kinokopya ka. Can be this is a friend. Hmm. It can be talagang habit niya na yon. Yung mangopya. O pwedeng this person is inggitera. Toxic. Gold digger or mahilig makipagbonggahan. Makipagsosyalan. Tingnan natin ha. Clarification for file number 2. File number 2 is about a friend or a colleague na kinokopya ka or fake friend. Okay? This is a happiness hater. Pwedeng miserable ang buhay nito kaya gusto niya ganun din yung mangyari sa mga taong nasa paligid niya. O, tingnan natin. File number 2. Two of Swords. Air sign. Hindi nito alam kung ano yung hindi nito alam kung ano yung wala siyang sariling identity. Okay? This person is walang sariling identity. And po pwedeng nanggagaya lang siya para magkaroon ng sariling identity or magkaroon ng sariling ipe-pursue. Yun ang nakita ko with the Two of Swords. Page of Wands. O pwedeng mas bata to sa'yo. Young fire sign. Ten of Wands. O pwedeng pinapahirapan ka nitong person na to. Oh my gosh, with the Devil card. Toxic. Seven of Pentacles. Ay, meron ako nakukuha na this is malapit sa'yo. Itong person to is tinulungan mo. Yes, mas bata to sa'yo. Yan ang clue Mas bata to sa'yo and tinulungan mo to. It can be financially o pwedeng tinulungan mo to sa trabaho. Basta, meron kang tinulong dito sa person na to. And ngayon mo lang nalaman na parang may something dito sa person na to kasi parang gusto niyang maging, meron ako nakita dito na someone here is abundant, financially, may kaya sa buhay, nabibili yung gusto, and this person is po pwedeng lumaki sa hirap or wala na kapos siya, hindi niya nakukuha kung ano yung gusto niyang makuha. Kaya naging ganun siya. Parang gusto niyang maging, no, meron siyang kaibigan na may kaya tapos mahilig mag-party. Nakikibagay siya, nakikipagsosyalan siya. Kasi nga hindi nga niya naranasan yon. Kasi ito ay galing sa kapos before. Nagigets niyo ba guys? And tinulungan mo tong person na to. Kasi mas bata to sa'yo. The Hermit. Mhm. Pwedeng nilayuan mo na tong person na to or pwedeng you are thinking dito sa person na to kasi napapansin mo na nga, you can be a Virgo. Napapansin mo na may mali sa kanya. You are analyzing. You are the one in your head pwede na you are analyzing this person. Kasi napapansin mo na parang may mali sa kanya. Okay? Kaya lumayo ka dito sa person na to. Justice card. This person, with the fake smile and justice, nakikita niyo ba yung card na justice, guys? Sa may itaas na card is nakangiti siya. Nakasmile siya. Pero kapag binaliktad mo siya, iba yung itsura niya. Nakangiti ito ko sa harapan mo. Pero kapag nakatalikod ka, this is a fake person. A user. Meron ako narinig na user. Can be a female. The star. Meron ako nakikita na this person is meron akong naririnig na sana ganun din ako. Ay, sana katulad niya ako. Sana meron din akong katulad nung kanya. Ay, sana ako na lang. Parang sana ako siya. Parang ganun. May naririnig akong ganun. Ganun tong person na to. King of Cups. You can be a masculine. And this is a feminine. Or vice versa, guys. You are a very matured emotionally type of a person. And nakikita kong very loving ka na person. Very mauwain ka. Very mapagbigay ka na person. You can be a spiritual also. Meron ako nakukuha na you can be a spiritual also. Meron ako nakukuha na for some of you ha, yung iba sa inyo ha, take what's resonate. This person, if you have a partner, if this person is a woman and you are a woman, yung iba sa inyong pumili ng pile number 2, if you have a partner, this person wants your partner kasi mapagmahal. Yung iba sa inyo lang ha. So, tingnan natin yung outcome. Pile number 2. Kung napapansin niyo or if you are looking for answer in regards with this person na napapansin nyo, this is the confirmation na po pwedeng tama yung kutob ninyo or yung nakikita nyo dun sa person na yon. A colleague, a friend, a fake friend, smiling in your face pero iba kapag ka nakatalikod. Okay. Ano yung outcome? Temperance. Okay? Find some balance. Or po pwedeng wag na lang find harmony on yourself. Timpiin mo ang sarili mo. At huwag makipagtalo dito sa person na to kasi this person is walang identity. Okay? Kaya siguro hinahangaan ka lang niya. Pwedeng ganun eh. Page of Swords. Curious lang kasi tong person na to. Curious siya. Kung makikita nyo, this is a workplace, di ba? And po pwedeng gossipy itong person na to, po pwedeng tinitingnan niya kung ano yung kilos mo, nagmamatsyag siya kung anong ginagawa mo, binabantayan niya yung kilos mo. The moon, o di ba, hidden. Use your intuition, you know, because somehow you're a spiritual person, okay? Hidden to. You can be a tarot reader, spiritual person. Eight of Wands, communication, okay? Ace of Wands, okay po, pwedeng lumayo ka na lang dito sa person na to. Layuan mo na lang, wag ka na lang makisama or makidikit pa, makipagkwentuhan or anything. Ace of Coins, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng financial opportunity, prosperity when it comes to job, makakatanggap ka ng pera, okay, or anything. Pera or ano nga bang tawag doon? Yung tataas yung position sa job. If you are doing any creative work, ipagpatuloy mo lang and don't mind this person. Kasi meron ako nakita girl fight, magkaaway kayo nito eh, may argument kayo nito, huwag mo nang pansinin, pabayaan mo na lang. Layuan mo na lang siya. Or pa pwedeng may communication ka na marireceive. O pwedeng new job offer or any financial opportunity na may mas malaking pera. Okay. Tinitingnan nitong person na to yung kilos mo. Six of Swords. Oh, this person gustong makipagbate, wants to offer. Okay? Gustong makipagbate. Six of Swords. Going to calmer waters. Kasi kung meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nito, Page of Cups offer some apology. Okay? Regret. Maybe this person is regretting na nakipag-away sa'yo. Yes, nagre-regret to kasi siya, tinulungan mo siya eh. Meron ako nakita tinulungan mo tong person na to. Gusto makipagbati nito. Pero, ang may advice ko sa'yo, iwasan mo na lang. Okay. Iwasan mo na lang siya. Pile number 2. At huwag makipag-away with the Temperance card. Pero nakikita ko naman nagtitimpi ka if resonated sa itong reading natin. Or pa pwede ikaw ang gusto makipagbate, ayaw mo ng away. Okay. May simpatya ka pa rin dito sa person to kasi naaawa ka. Kasi alam mo kung ano yung background ng person na to. So, kuha tayo ng higher self-advice para sa'yo. Pile number 2. So, ano ba yung advice sa'yo ng higher self mo over this situation? So, this is not a love life, guys. Yung pile number 2. This is about a friendly, a fake friend, a copycat, a co-worker na kinakopya ka. Meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan nitong person na to. Okay. So, kuha tayo ng advice sa'yo. Ang bilis naman. Self-limiting belief. Negative thoughts are creating a roadblock in your life. So, iwasan ang pag-iisip ng negative, pag-overthinking, kasi you're overthinking, guys. With the Hermit card and in their head, you can be an air sign, earth sign, or a water sign. Recognition, admiration for your hard work is coming. Ano sabi ko? Meron kang marireceive na promotion. Yeah. Rest. Listen to your body mentally and physically unwind. Okay? You need to rest. Stress. You are stressing with this person. Cleanse and detoxify from unnecessary commitments. Okay? You need to cleanse yourself kung pwedeng you are overworking. Okay? Nag-overwork ka kasi siguro, nakikipagkompetensya kasi itong person na to sa'yo, if this is a colleague. You need to rest, stop overthinking. You are doing a great job on your work, okay? So, huwag kang masyadong mag-overwork or makipagkompetensya dito sa person na to kasi wala sa kalingkingan, okay? You can be a Virgo, Earth sign Taurus, very hardworking person. Moving on. Endings that brings healthy beginning. Okay? Divine counterpart. A divine connection sent to you from your angels. Okay? Can be pa pwedeng may makilala ka na divine counterpart para malibang ka or maano yung focus mo dito sa person na to or sa work. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng monology mo. Anong advice mo? File number 2. Okay. Advice for my file number 2. Okay. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Okay? Sabi nga, meditate. Okay? Mag-relax. Meditation. Cleanse your energy. Detoxify. Have faith in your dreams. Waxing crescent moon. Have faith in your dreams. Believe in yourself. You are good enough. Okay? Confident is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Okay? Nasabi ko, you are enough. Balance, spirituality, and practicality. Full moon in Pisces again. You can be a Pisces or meron kang Pisces on your chart. You can be spiritual also. Practical can be an earth sign. Okay? Then, emotions are running high, super moon. Okay. So, you're very emotional right now. Po pwedeng over that situation. Pero, wag mo nang i-overthink. Wag ka na kasi may hermit mode dito kanina. Ino-overthink mo yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi naman dapat i-overthink. Okay? So, you are enough. Be confident. You are doing a great job on your work. Don't stress out. Wag makipagkompetensya. Okay? Kasi you are good in your job. Okay? So, file number 2, this is your reading. I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. And if not, you can go to file number 1. Baka may message sa'yo doon. Okay? Please do subscribe and comment down below kung nag-resonate sa'yo. Share this video and like this video also, file number 2. So, hindi ko napapatagalin. Thank you for watching. You can watch file number 1. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Abangan nyo pa yung ating mga upload sa susunod na araw. Okay? Again, this is Leluna Taro. Magandang umaga. Bye!